What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1963 Impala. This one here has front disc brakes, power steering, aluminum radiator, 454. Pretty quiet motor. Should be a good test drive. If you haven't seen our videos before, check out the walk around. We have two separate videos for each car. Walks around the car and points out any flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. MapleMotors.com has financing and shipping information, including all of our inventory that we update every Monday. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I try to post cars every day. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Checking out the interior before we take off. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Dash is in great shape. It's showing 34,000 miles. This car did not come with a 454, so I cannot stand behind mileage. Go ahead and start it up. Starts up nice and easy. Gauges are all coming up and working. Blower motor's also working right now. It's blowing in the floor pretty hard. Radio cuts on and works. Wipers, same thing. Horn, nah, same thing, not so much there. Horn doesn't work on this car. You'll have to get that replaced. The interior looks great. All right, guys, let's take off. Here we go. First thing I noticed on this car, no seat belts. All right. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will let you know. I'm gonna check the hood real quick, make sure it's down. Sorry about that. I just remembered on this hood, I had to push down significantly hard to get it to shut. And it's shut, so we're good to go. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Gas gauge is floating around, gives me an indication that it is working. And I'm already on my brakes, and they feel pretty good. Throttle feels pretty good. Let's see if the kickdown's hooked up. Kickdown's not hooked up on this one. Steering's nice and tight. It does pull to the left. Seems like it's pulling to the left a little bit. Suspension feels pretty nice. Down the brakes real good. They're stopping fast. Yeah, let's see here. Turn signals are popping up on the dash, both sides. I've had it running for about 10-15 minutes now. Sitting out at the office, I kept having to answer phones, and it never got over 190 degrees on the temperature. Still there now, and oil pressure is about 25-30. parking lot here, get some outside shots. If you want to know what gear I'm using, just look down below in the description. I'll give you Amazon links to it all, exactly where I bought it. Been using the same gear for a long time and it hasn't broken, so I like it. I mean, been using the fire out of it. All right, let's get these outside shots. Here, the brake's a little squeaky up here, but sounds like the back. All right, got y'all back on the virtual head cam. Getting ready to take off here. Just circle around the parking lot, getting my outside shots. Now it's time to continue this test drive. Make sure I got y'all set up right. I got y'all on video here. Kind of gives me an idea of what it looks like. That brake is getting squeakier and squeakier the more we drive it. You got to manually turn off the turn signals. The switch that turns it off when you turn is not working properly. Coming up on the road that's got a significant speed bump. You can listen for rattles because this car is nice and smooth on the suspension. Probably won't even notice we hit it. It's coming up right here. Pretty quiet. We're gonna go ahead and pull back in the lot here. I got some more test drives to get to today. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you have any other questions, visit my website, maplemotors.com. Think it's daring to come through here? Nah, fit perfect. All right, into the test drive here. Guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, jump on maplemotors.com for financing and shipping. Also have close to 100 detailed pictures. Hit that subscribe button for more videos every single day. I got a lot of cars to get to. You can check out tons of our inventory here on YouTube as well. I did a walk around video on this car, pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside, so then you know exactly what you're coming to buy. All right, guys. Thanks again for rolling. Y'all have a good one.